Hello there. If you're a beginner guitar player and you're ready to learn how to play some beginner guitar songs, then you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to play beginner guitar songs. And that's coming up. Hello and welcome to the channel where it's designed to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. If this is your first time here, have a look around and consider subscribing for more guitar tips. Today I'm going to show you how to play beginner guitar songs. I'm going to show you the chords, the chord progression, and how to strum the songs. By the end of this video, you'll have 2 beginner guitar songs to put in your repertoire. So let's dig in. The first chord is E. Your first finger is going to be on the G string at the 1st fret. Second finger is right here on the A string, 2nd fret. And your 3rd finger is on the D string, 2nd fret. You can strum all the strings on the E chord. The next chord that you're going to be playing is the A. First finger's right here on the D string, 2nd fret. Second finger's on the G string, 2nd fret. Third finger's on the B string, 2nd fret. You're going to strum from the 5th string down. That's the A chord. Then we just need the B chord. You're going to fret the 2nd fret of the A string. Then you're going to use your 3rd finger and hyperextend it to play the D, G, and B. Let me demonstrate the song and then I'll show you how to play it. And it's Grandpa by the Judds. And then it goes into the chorus. So let me show you the verse. And it starts out with the E chord. And the strumming is down, down, up, up, down, up. So it starts on E. To A, back to E, B, back to E, A, that seems fast, you can always rewind it a little bit and keep going over it, and it's not that hard. You'll be able to get it with a little bit of practice. So on the chorus, I'm going to show you that. But first, if you're getting any value out of this video, can you click the like button? Give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Okay, on the chorus, it starts on A. it's Grandpa, that's how you play it. So the next song, stick around because we're going to learn Amanda by Don Williams. And this one's a little bit easier. It's got much of the same chords in it. So let's get started. But before we get started, let me give you the question of the day. If someone asked you to play a song, what song would you play for them? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and know what song you would play. Let me show you how to play Amanda. Chords are A, the same A we just learned. Then we've got a D. On the D, you're going to cover the second fret of the G string. And with your second finger, fret the second fret of the E string. And with your third finger, fret the third fret of the B string. And you're going to be playing from the fourth string down. That's the D string. Now, most songs on the radio are in 4/4 timing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But on Amanda, it's in 3/4 timing, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's 3/4 timing, and I'm going to show you how it goes, and then I'll demonstrate it for you, and then show you the chords. Alright, it's fairly easy. Starts out on A. Now when we're playing 3/4 timing, you're going to pick the A string, which is the 5th string, and strum down twice. Get the hang of doing that before we go to the next chord. Alright, so you've got that. Then it goes to D. So on the D, you're going to pick the D string, which is the 4th string, and strum down twice. So it's D, back to A. On the E, we're going to pick the 6th string, which is the E string. Go back to A. So it's pick the E, strum twice, back to A. So it's if you're a beginner guitar player and you want to learn more guitar, more chords and techniques, check out the courses over at Sharon's Guitar Academy. And be sure to watch the next video. Thanks.